watching the ACTi YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing the ACTi ACM-1231 IP outdoor bullet camera. If you take a look in the box, you've got the camera itself, a power adapter, your product CDs, your warranty card, connector blocks, and you also get a cable gland which will allow you to pass a network cable through directly into the camera. The mounting bracket is not supplied by the manufacturer, but if you buy from ACTi, we'll supply you with a free mounting bracket. The camera is a great all-in-one solution for outdoor security. It is an IP66 weatherproof housing, records in 1.3 megapixels and has infrared LEDs for night vision. The camera has a varifocal lens which you can use to zoom in manually at the time of installation to cover just the area you wish to focus on. The ACTi ACM-1231 supports two-way audio, DC 12V or power over Ethernet, and offers up to SXGA resolution at 8 frames per second. The product also includes ACTi's free recording software for up to 64 cameras, allowing you complete control over when you record. Thanks for watching this ACTi YouTube video about the ACTi ACM-1231 megapixel outdoor bullet camera. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more IP camera videos. Bye bye!